What's going on, YouTube Nation? This is Darth Dividend. I'm going to give you an update on my M1 Finance Dividend Portfolio. Stocks took a huge hit today. Really sucks, but you got to be focused. You got to be strong. So I'm going to show you my updates on my dividend portfolio and how I'm doing right now. So I still have IIPR. They're doing pretty well today. $96.12. Gives a nice dividend yield of 4.14%. Put a thing called quarterly stocks. Really, not all of them are quarterly, but I got Hormel Foods. I have 40% in that. I have Iron Mountain now, and I have QYLD. I did do a video on that with the covered call ETF, and I did have it on my E-Trade portfolio. Now I'm going to put it on my M1 Finance portfolio and go from there. So I'm going to pump a little bit more money and then start kicking it up a notch on here, because my goal is to make $100,000 and have a portfolio on that. AT&T took a huge hit today. It took a huge hit. So I have 13 shares in those guys. And man, that was just a huge hit that happened. It's down. I mean, it'll fix itself. The market will fix itself. So I'm not too upset about these big hits that are going on. Coca-Cola took a huge hit today. Down 22.78% when I put money in. So that's a huge blow. With the return, I'm down $18. It's not too bad. Again, I'm going to start throwing a little bit of money in here so I have enough in my portfolio to start growing. So I get to 10 shares, I'll start kicking some ass with that. Geez, I mean, look at this today. Pfizer, oh, look at that. They took a hit today too. They're down a little bit. They'll be back up. So I did make some changes. I had them at 20%, and I brought them to 10% because I can't even say this. Unilever. This is the people that make Axe. I went down a little bit, but I need to really get that one up and ramp that one up a little bit. It's not enough to really start growing. It gives off a really nice dividend. It's done really well recently, so it's time to really kick it up a notch with these guys. They make Axe, like deodorant, like the Axe body spray. Some cheap brands called Suave, and Suave is pretty good. It's cheap. You can live frugally with that, and it's a really good company, honestly, and it's beating the S&P, so that's going to go up eventually too. Now the market cap's 148.7 billion. Gives off a nice dividend yield at 3.18. I'm happy to see that. XOM, they took a hit. I have one share in them. Eventually I'll be two, but I'm going to start, like I said, once I start rolling in the cash, I'll start getting up there eventually. They took a big hit today too. Gives off a great dividend though, 6.42%. Market cap's 229.5 billion and 16.8 PE ratio. Sure, they're doesn't look too hot right now, but it's ExxonMobil. Gives off a great dividend. I can always get rid of it in my M1 Finance portfolio if I'm not happy. Here's WestRock Company. I have 2.56 shares in it for about $100 in that, 39.02. They're not too worried about them taking a big hit. They will go back up. It's not really a big issue for these guys. So again, my goal is to get to 100,000. I will share my link if you guys want to check it out. And if you're new to M1 Finance, feel free to click my affiliate link and get involved with M1 Finance. It is free. You can set up your own dividend portfolio, and you guys have been really good on my channel, but let me know how you guys took a hit today. I'm going to make another video with my Fundrise account and give you an update on that. But ouch, 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 ouch. Doesn't look too hot today because of the coronavirus, but I mean, what are you going to do? So it is what it is, and we'll go from there. All right, thank you for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss future videos. I'm going to try to figure out this background noise. I know you guys are giving me some flack for that, and I don't blame you. You don't want to hear annoying background noise. If you're driving your car or listening to my my lecture that I'm giving you. So again, IIPR, I have Iron Mountain, Hormel Foods, QYLD, AT&T, Coca-Cola, Pfizer, Unilever, XOM, and Westrock Company. So that's my portfolio right now. I think once I get to 5,000, that's when things are going to start really looking good and starting to kick it up a notch, start looking very attractive, and the dividends will be nice. They're already nice to begin with, but not yet. Not to where I want to be. So that's pretty much how things are looking on my side. And let me know how your portfolios are doing. How bad did you get hit with this coronavirus? All right, take care.